winds ahead of the front will increase this morning to 15 to 25 miles an hour, with significantly higher gusts over 40 miles an hour occurring in the afternoon. Showers will occur well ahead of the front in the early afternoon hours, and thunderstorms will occur later in the afternoon towards this evening. Some of these storms will have the potential to create damaging wind gusts approaching 60 miles an hour. In addition, thunderstorms later today will occur in the presence of a low-level wind field that could support tornadic development. Persons in the Ohio Valley should be alert for any possible watches or warnings that may be issued later today. It is the Nearshore Marine Force.